Alright. Just in. The footage from court with CMR have been released. And all of this accusation now can put to rest. All of these alleged can now put to rest. Me not gonna say nothing too tough. But just sit back and make you listen for yourself. Because a lot of you say, boy, we chat too much. A lot of you say, boy, we are carrying misleading information. I want to listen very carefully what the judge has to say. Pay attention.
Crissy Carter?
Yes, ma'am.
I reviewed a probable cause charging affidavit that charges you with lascivious behavior with a child. And I do find probable cause. I will appoint the office. Well, actually, this indicates that you don't qualify for the office of public defender. Sir, raise your right hand to be sworn in. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
So this affidavit that I'm looking at says that you have take-home pay of about $55,000 a year, correct?
Say that again?
It says you have take-home pay after taxes of about $55,000 a year.
That's the calculation I made for this year. For a year we were doing, because I'm self-employed, I was doing well, but based on finances, it seemed this year.
All right, so you're in jail right now. Do you get any money while you're in jail from your job?
No, ma'am. What I do is
Just yes or no?
Oh,
okay.
No, ma'am.
All right, and you have VA benefits of $2,500 a month that you're receiving?
Yes, ma'am. And 13 something for schooling, but that ends in when this semester ends, which should be end of this month.
All right, that's the $1,300 you're referring to?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, based on his verbal testimony, I will find that he's got debts of $10,000 and he's incarcerated. He's not earning the income currently. So I will find that he does qualify for the services of a court-appointed attorney, and I'll appoint the office of the public defender to represent him. Thank you. With respect to the charge, sir, of lewd or lascivious behavior or molestation, state wish to be heard. Is this, I don't think it's a dangerous crime.
That is correct. We would be motioning the court to help the defendant no bond at this time under Florida Statute 907-041 5D. We would be motioning for $3,000.
I'm going to deny your request. I'm going to set bond, given what I'm reading in the probable cause charging affidavit. And I'm going to set bond, sir, in the sum of $7,500 with special condition that you have no contact whatsoever with a listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever. Directly or indirectly, you will not return to the scene of the offense. You'll maintain separate residences. In other words, you won't be living with the child. Do you understand that?
Roger that.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's just requesting a one-time return with law enforcement to get his things.
I'll grant that, a one-time return.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
All right. On a year where judge has said, right? Me not lie, you know. When me say, yeah, water want drop out of me eye, me I tell you the God Almighty truth say, yeah, water want drop out of me eye. Reason being for this is the hurt I'm feeling and my kids them. The pain and struggle with them kids they got through. I'm not talking about big grown Crissy. Right now, I don't even give two shits about Crissy. Believe me. The kids them. If you know say them have to face something like this, them have to deal with something like this for the rest of them life. fi a go through school. Cause these are public figures, you know. There are thousands of people follow them. Hundreds of people follow them. So more than likely, you will have kids from their school follow the mother and father on their page. You will have teachers follow these pages. So them see what go on, them know what go on. They are aware of what go on. And imagine these kids have to face some bully at school who might buck up on this and decide that they're going to antagonize them daily. Because our evilous man, one wicked, dirty, drunker man, will go by the name of CMR. The thing what hurt me too is the fact that a lot of you have the audacity to type unstated innocent until proven guilty. When you see the mugshot, when you see what he have been arrested for, and know the fact that them not gonna come arrest you unless them have evidence for you. You don't know that. Common sense that. And if you see a letter, wanna sit down and I go type and say, yo, you spread misinformation, you're wicked, you lie. And all this time we have been telling you guys, respect to all of you with your eyes open. I want to see what go on and pay attention. CMR talk it out of my mouth, you know. Out of all our kids them. The step one will get anything she asks for. Anything she asks for. And my mouth it come from him. Why never refer to all our kids them? Him own blood kid. Why never say my kids will get anything them ask for? This is the problem what we have in our society. Is the fact that you have people that will defend people because of their status, not knowing that this is just public stunt that they're doing, showcasing a lifestyle that really they can't afford. You listen what the judge say. Based on them income, they're not making nothing. They already $10,000 in debt already. So that make him qualify for a public defender. You know, also hear what the judge say, that he must not return back to the resident where the victims, she never said victim, victims are. She will allow him a one-time visit accompanied by a law enforcement to pick up him things. So we need any more proof that this is within the household? Do we need that? Do we need that? Are you guys gonna still sit down and type innocent until proven guilty? Are you guys gonna sit down and still don't want to hold them accountable? Me talk it the other day that show me a company and me tell you who you are. And for Crissy, you know that this take place within your household. And you still have the audacity to go and bail this man or put up funds to bail this man, knowing that these are your kids. You push them out or you do C-section, whichever one. These are your kids. You should be the defender. In this predicament, you should be the defender of your kids. Stand up for your kids. And make this man stay in a jail. Make him stay in there. Now give him the opportunity to come out here. Now, the judge said, it's not a serious charge, but he might go get time. He might go charge for it. He might go get charged for it. They may not give him the charge where we expect or where we want him to get. But they're going to charge him. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. If you don't listen carefully. If you don't listen carefully. What more this man want? Him stated that him have a woman that pleasure him. In bedroom not dead, it not boring. Crissy thought the same thing. What more you want, youth? What more you want? Instead of you be a man, a father, a protector, and guide these children to the right path to success. You're the one that taking that away from them. You're the one that damaging them physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. You damage them. What can go so? Really? These are the people them were uno idolize. These are the people them want to push up top. Not the real father them were protect and provide for them kids. Not the one them wanna have no ambition. We're willing to do anything for sabotage them kids, sabotage them wife, sabotage them family. And them they wanna push up there. Them they wanna push up there, you know? Sick world we live in, because as sick people. You can't talk all you want, but you're going like you're perfect. Nobody is perfect. Not one single person on this earth is perfect. And that's not the case. That's not the case. You don't have to be perfect to do the right thing. By your kids. Or by any other kids. How can you get the urge for kids? How? Your ding-a-ling enough is stand up. Enough you have no mindset to say, hey, rise for one kid, for one child. Enough to. It deserve chop off, brother. It deserve chop off. God knows, star. This cut me deep. All this time me I say allege. Me I say allege. No more allege. On the hear what the judge stated. On the hear what the courtroom officer. No more.